Welcome to Real Life English. Today, Leo has a toothache, and Emma is going with him to the dentist. You will learn useful English for making an appointment, talking to a receptionist, and speaking with a dentist. Let's get started.
Leo, are you okay? You look uncomfortable.
My tooth really hurts. It started last night, and it's getting worse.
Which tooth is it?
This one, on the bottom right. It hurts when I eat or drink something cold.
That doesn't sound good. You should see a dentist.
I know, but I don't have a dentist here. I haven't been to one in a long time.
That's okay. We can find a clinic nearby and call to make an appointment. A toothache can get worse if you wait too long.
You're right. I'll call now.
I'll come with you. You might need some help.
Thanks, Emma. I really appreciate it.
Hello, is this Riverside Dental Clinic?
Yes, it is. This is Riverside Dental. How can I help you?
I'd like to make an appointment. I have a toothache and I need to see a dentist.
Of course. Is this your first visit to our clinic?
Yes, it is. I am a new patient.
No problem. Can I get your name, please?
My name is Leo.
Thank you, Leo. And can I get your phone number?
Sure, it's 555-0192.
Got it. Now, how long have you had the toothache?
Since last night, the pain is getting worse today.
I see. We actually have an opening this afternoon at 2:30. Would that work for you?
Yes, 2:30 works perfectly. Thank you.
Great. Please arrive about 10 minutes early to fill out some forms, and bring a photo ID if you have one.
Okay, should I bring anything else?
If you have any dental records from a previous dentist, you can bring those too, but don't worry if you don't have them.
All right, I'll be there at 2:20. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See you this afternoon, Leo. I hope you feel better soon.
Hello. I have an appointment at 2:30. My name is Leo.
Hi, Leo. Welcome to Riverside Dental. Let me pull up your information. Yes, I have you right here. Could you please fill out this form? It's just some basic information, your health history and contact details.
Of course. Is there a pen I can use?
Yes, here you go. You can sit over there and fill it out. Just bring it back to me when you're done.
Thank you. How long is the wait?
The doctor will be with you in about 15 minutes.
That's fine. Thank you.
How are you feeling?
A little nervous, to be honest.
It's okay to feel nervous, but the dentist is going to help you. The pain will go away.
I know. I just don't like dental clinics. The sound of the drill.
I understand. A lot of people feel that way. But modern dentists are very gentle. You'll be fine.
Did you finish filling out the form?
You filled it out, not me. Did you finish?
Oh, yes. I already gave it back to the receptionist.
Good. What did they ask on the form?
Things like my name, address, phone number, and whether I have any allergies or health conditions.
An allergy means your body has a bad reaction to something, like certain medicines or foods.
Right. I wrote that I'm not allergic to anything.
That's good. It's important for the dentist to know that before treatment.
I also wrote that I haven't been to a dentist in about 2 years.
2 years? Leo, you really should go more often.
I know. I'll do better after this.
The dentist will probably recommend coming back every 6 months for a checkup and cleaning.
A cleaning? What's that?
It's when they clean your teeth professionally. They remove plaque and tartar, things that your toothbrush can't always get rid of.
That sounds useful.
It really is. It helps prevent cavities and keeps your gums healthy. Leo Chen,
That's me.
the dentist is ready for you. Please follow me.
Okay. Wish me luck, Emma.
You don't need luck. You'll be great.
Hi, Leo. I'm Dr. Parker. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Dr. Parker.
So, I understand you have a toothache. Can you tell me more about it?
Yes. My bottom right tooth has been hurting since last night. The pain is quite strong when I eat or drink something cold.
I see. Does it hurt all the time or only when you eat and drink?
Mostly when I eat or drink, but sometimes it hurts on its own too.
Okay. Open your mouth wide for me, please. I'm going to take a look.
Like this?
That's perfect. I can see the problem. This tooth here has a cavity. A cavity is a small hole in your tooth caused by bacteria and sugar.
Oh no. Is it serious?
It's not dangerous right now, but we do need to treat it soon. We'll also need to take an X-ray to see how deep the cavity is.
An X-ray? Does that hurt?
Not at all. It's very quick and completely painless. My assistant will take the X-ray for you. Then I'll look at it and decide the best treatment.
Okay. What happens after the X-ray?
If the cavity is not too deep, I can do a filling today. A filling means we clean out the damaged part of the tooth and fill the hole with a special material. It will stop the pain and protect the tooth.
Will the filling hurt?
I'll give you a local anesthetic first. That means I'll put some medicine near the tooth to make the area numb. You won't feel any pain during the procedure.
That's a relief. How long will it take?
About 30 to 40 minutes for the filling. But first, let's see the X-ray. My assistant Sarah will take you for that now.
All right. Thank you, Dr. Parker.
Of course. We'll take good care of you. All done, Leo. The filling went very well.
That wasn't as bad as I thought.
I'm glad to hear that. The anesthetic will wear off in a few hours. That means the numb feeling will slowly go away.
Should I eat normally after this?
Try to avoid eating on that side for the rest of today. Also avoid very hot or very cold drinks for the next 24 hours.
What about the pain?
The tooth may be a little sensitive for a few days. That's normal. You can take over-the-counter pain medicine if needed. Something like ibuprofen works well.
Okay. Is there anything else I should do?
Yes. Brush your teeth twice a day and floss every day. Flossing means cleaning between your teeth with a thin string. It helps remove food and bacteria that your toothbrush can't reach. I'll do that. Thank you so much, Dr. Parker. You're welcome. I'd also like to see you again in 6 months for a regular checkup and cleaning.
I'll make sure to come back.
And one more thing. Try to reduce sugary drinks and snacks. Sugar is one of the main causes of cavities.
I'll keep that in mind.
Take care, Leo. See you in 6 months.
Hi. I just finished with Dr. Parker. I need to pay and also make my next appointment.
Of course, Leo. Let me check the total for today. You had an X-ray and 1 filling. The total comes to $150.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept credit cards and debit cards. Do you have dental insurance?
Yes, I do. Here's my insurance card.
Thank you. Let me check your coverage. Your insurance covers 80% of the filling cost, so your total today will be $42.
Oh, that's much better. Thank you.
No problem. Here's the card reader. Just tap or insert your card.
Done. Could I have a receipt, please?
Of course. Here you go. Now, would you like to book your next appointment? Dr. Parker recommended 6 months from now.
Yes, please. What dates do you have available?
We have openings on Tuesday the 14th, Wednesday the 15th, or Friday the 17th of December, all in the afternoon.
Wednesday the 15th works for me. What time?
We have 2 o'clock or 3:30.
2 o'clock, please.
Perfect. I'll book that for you. So that's Wednesday, December the 15th at 2 o'clock.
Thank you. Will you send me a reminder?
Yes, we'll send you a text message 1 day before your appointment. Is the number on file correct?
Yes, 555-0192.
Great. You're all set, Leo. Take care and feel better soon.
Thank you so much. Everyone here was very kind.
We're happy to help. See you in December. Great job. Today, you learned useful English for going to the dentist, from calling to make an appointment to talking with the receptionist and the dentist. You practiced words like toothache, cavity, filling, anesthetic, and insurance. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations. See you next time.